Today we are testing OpenArt VFX, which is the sponsor of this video. It's an AI video transformation suite that lets you edit footage you have already filmed. Instead of generating everything from scratch, OpenArt VFX can replace backgrounds, change lighting, and add cinematic visual effects while keeping the original subject and motion. That makes it useful for creators who want VFX style results without a green screen, complex editing software, or reshoots. Let's go in. So first you go on OpenArt.ai. Here with an overview tool. It's an all-in-one AI creation platform that brings your ideas into life. On the top you see the different features, like it's a video generator, image generator, or voice changer, voice cloner integrated. You have the top models like Kling 3.0, Seedance 2.0 and more. In this video we will focus on the OpenArt VFX. Just hit start for free. After signing up you come to your workspace here. Here you have your features again at the OpenArt, and the first one is the OpenArt VFX. Just click on it. Here we have the replace background, Relight video, or VFX, where we can in-paint and change things inside videos. You can upload your existing footage here. On the replace background feature you can also choose the background which will be replaced. You have like a luxury city penthouse, a villa pool, or a desert. You can also upload your custom background here. Then you can describe what it should be, just replacing the background in our case. You have a resolution up to 1080p and you can generate up to 4 videos at once. So let's try it. We have this footage and we want to replace the background. On uploading your footage, you can trim your video here. We just hit confirm, choose your background. Let's see, let's use the art gallery here. He automatically describing the idea here, replace the background with a minimal art gallery. We just hit generate and a minute later we have the result here and it's just astonishing. Let's have a look. Amazing! He not only replaced the background perfectly here, he's also moving inside the background. The camera follows the woman here. It can't be better. Very nice. Also the second generation here is just awesome. Same quality. It's like a real video. Very nice. Here we have a more advanced example for replacing backgrounds. We have this multi-shot scene here. We have different camera angles, also a close-up of the food. Let's see what he did. Well, this is just perfect. Even the multi-shot scene with different camera angles are perfectly replaced here. The close-up of the shoes, let's zoom it there. She's stepping on the street here. Wonderful feature. We can now share it, download it, upscale it, or modify the video more. Here another example with our woman with the backpack in a snowy custom environment, forest. Let's see. Again, she's moving through the background, not just replacing it. Great. Here at the Relight video, we can relight our existing footage with another color tone. We have some predefined reference lighting here, like a golden hour, a soft beauty studio, or a moonlit blue. Again, we can upload our custom lighting here. We just use moonlit blue in this example. Again, he created a prompt automatically again. We just hit generate and after a minute we have the results here. Let's look at it. As you can see, clear, nice moonlit blue. Let's look it in a comparison to the original footage, and as you can see, the color tone exactly that what we wanted. Here another example of a golden hour glow. Again, perfect. Now in the VFX feature we upload our existing footage. Now we select the areas we want to keep, which will be unchanged in the final video. Here in the editor here we have different options. We have an auto select mode where the main subject will be automatically selected. We have the smart select, objects we want to keep. We can also paint areas to keep, and we can allow this area to be replaced. Let's use the auto select mode here. We can see he selected the main woman here in this video. Hit preview, perfect, cut out. Confirm. Now we can add a target look of the output. You can just add a reference image to guide what the final video should be transformed into. We can create some with AI from the existing footage or just upload one. We have our snowy forest again. Woman should walk through the snowy forest. Camera stays static. Hit generate. And as you can see, it's working great. Another example, here we selected the objects we want to change. Our existing footage is a man with red jeans, and we made the prompt change the red jeans into gray jeans, and this is the final result, and it's just perfect. No red jeans here, just changing the color. All stays original here except the area we selected. Just a perfect feature. You have endless use cases here where you can draw areas to keep or draw areas to replace. If you liked OpenArt VFX, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.